Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can deploy N8n on Oceancloud. So let's get started. First, log into your DigitalOcean account. After that, select a project or create a new one. Then, navigate to Manage, then Droplets, and then Create Droplet. After that, choose the Docker image from the Marketplace tab. Then, select a plan according to your resource requirements. The basic shared CPU plan is usually enough. After that, finalize your droplet setup and note down the IP address. Next, secure your droplet. First, log into your new droplet via SSH. After that, create a new user for managing N8n. Then, log out and log back in as this new user. After that, clone the N8n Docker repository. Then, clone the N8n Docker setup with Caddy. Next, create Docker volumes. This will set up persistent storage for both Caddy and N8n. After that, configure the firewall. Then, allow both HTTP and HTTPS traffic. Next, update your environment variables. Create or update your N file, and after that, replace username and yourdomain.com with your actual username and domain details. Then, update the Cata file. Open caddy_config/cata file and add your subdomain configuration. After that, save and close the file. Next, start your Docker containers. Bring up the containers, and after that, open your browser. Then, navigate to your domain or IP address. Finally, you should now see the N8n interface running successfully. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.